Okay, so good morning, everyone. And may I request each one of you to please switch on your cameras. Yeah, good morning, Anjum. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sarthak, Aniket, Niranjan, Namita, Manjeet, Abhishek. Good morning. Please switch on your videos, your camera. Okay, so today we are going to cover stress management, and this was the hot topic. In my last two talk, I was asking which topic you want me to cover, and quite few of you said, "Ma'am, why don't you cover stress management? वो anxiety होती है, depression होता है, डर लगता है, तो how to get over it?" So today I am going to cover what is stress, what are the causes of stress, types of stress, and the most important is how to manage stress. तो मुझे तो पहले आप ये बताओ, I want to ask you कि what is stress for you? It's a very common topic, right? कितना हम पढ़ते हैं ना stress management. It's a very common topic. So what is stress for you?
Ma'am, some task is given and time and resources are
Who is
less.
speaking? Who is speaking?
Myself, ma'am.
What's your name?
Anjum, ma'am.
Anjum. अच्छा मुझे लग नहीं रहा. अच्छा, okay. Yes, Anjum. Tell me.
Ma'am, when you have been given a task and time and resources are less, and to complete it, you get some kind of tension or stress.
Can you repeat? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, I was saying you have been assigned a task and resources and time are less, and to complete that task, you get some time, some kind of stress and tension.
Okay, so you mean to say when you are not able to complete your task, then you feel stressed, right? What else? In a simple language, just relax. मैं कोई question answer session नहीं है, यहाँ कोई किसी को marks नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. Just relax. It's a normal discussion. ठीक है? और अब टेंशन में मत आ जाओ आप. स्ट्रेस आपको खुद ही हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ. So just feel relaxed. We are just talking to each other. यहाँ पे कोई किसी का एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा है कि अगर आप कुछ गलत बोलोगे या आप नहीं बोलोगे तो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू मार्क्स. नो, इट्स अ नॉर्मल डिस्कशन. व्हाट इज, बिकॉज मुझे पता करना है आपसे कि आपके लिए स्ट्रेस क्या है, क्यों स्ट्रेस हो रहा है आपको, तभी हम मैनेज कर पाएंगे ना. अगर कोई स्ट्रेस है ही नहीं तो फिर तो बात ही खत्म है.
Ma'am, good morning. Whenever we are unable to complete our work in the particular time allotted to us, so it becomes a stress for us.
मतलब कि जब आप कंप्लीट करते हो या नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाते हो?
नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाते हैं.
नहीं कंप्लीट.
Yes.
Okay, this is stress for you. Yes, Aniket.
Ma'am, unable to complete any task or the process, the pressure of completing any task causes stress.
Okay. So, according to you all, stress is when you are not able to complete any task, तब आपको stress होता है. I mean, a particular exam है और exam के लिए बहुत सारा पढ़ना है. There's so much to cover. And when you are not able to do that, you feel stressed. सबके लिए ऐसा ही है कि किसी और के लिए कुछ और भी है? So this is basically the stress you want me to cover. इसी का solution चाहिए आप सबको?
Ma'am, I want to add something.
Yes.
When we put ourselves to a situation that yes, we should achieve this goal, and then we cannot work toward it, or there are some hurdle around it. So that's the thing which puts us in a stressful situation.
Right, right, right. So जब आपने सोचा कि आपने कुछ करना है and you are not able to achieve that task, so you feel stressed, right?
मैडम और ब्रॉडर डेफिनेशन लेकर चलिए जब मैंने फौज की नौकरी छोड़ दी,
Yes.
अभी फैमिली को तो लुक आफ्टर करना है। तो पहले तो ये ठीक है कि सैलरी आ रही है, तो अब जो है, will I be able to earn, will I be able to take care of my family properly,
Right.
keep the quality
Right.
of life going? That's also a stress. So
Absolutely.
nice if you keep it broader, madam.
Yes, yes, definitely. मैं तो I'm just asking them. अभी तो आप देखना, stress तो बहुत सारी चीजों से होता है. So we'll discuss what all the different kind of stress. So what is stress? It is basically, stress is the body and mind's reaction to everyday's demand or threats. Right? It can be physical, mental, or emotional, and it comes from various sources. सो स्ट्रेस हमें सिर्फ एग्जाम से नहीं होता या कोई चीज कंप्लीट करने से नहीं होता है. इट कम्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेस. सो बेसिकली स्ट्रेस इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्ड वर्क. Stress is because of not taking actions. Okay, my next question is stress bad?
May I?
Absolutely
No,
not,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
किसने बोला? शेखर. शेखर से.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that if we don't have a stress, then we don't have to. Next time I will do better, or next time I will perform very well in that task.
Absolutely, absolutely. So all stress is not bad. Stress होना भी चाहिए ना. अगर में stress ही नहीं होगा that we have to clear exam, we have to study, we have to get up in the morning, then we will not take any action. So there are basically two kind of stress. So not all stress is bad. It depends on the situation and how we handle it. There are two kinds of stress. One is eustress and one is de-stress. अब देखते हैं eustress क्या होता है. Eustress is a good stress. And it arises from the demand of pleasant or fun activities. Example, vacations, wedding, promotions, running, doing any exercise. Now, what happens is, क्या होता है कि eustress is a good stress. अब हमें किसी पार्टी में जाना है, we feel happy
Excited.
कि जाना है. There is any marriage. ठीक है, हमारे घर पे शादी है, इतना सारा काम करना है. There is lot of stress, but that's a happy stress. We have to go on a vacation. Tickets देखनी है, how to go. We have to plan everything. There is a stress, but that is happy stress. वो बचपन में होता ना, जब मम्मी हमें स्कूल के लिए उठाती थी तो मन नहीं करता था उठने का. But whenever they used to have a picnic, तो नींद पहले ही खुल जाती थी. Right? So eustress is a happy stress. And the other stress is de-stress. De-stress means it's a bad stress. It is stress we experience in regard to negative demands to which we must adapt. It is when we experience stress for too much of that time, like cramming for finals. Exams आ रहे हैं और बहुत सारा syllabus we have to cover. So we are feeling stressed. बहुत सारा workload है. Office में we have to meet the targets. We are having stress. There are troubled relationships at home. किसी से किसी की बन नहीं रही है. Friends बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. तब stress है. So there are different kinds of stress. Let's see. Okay. So ये question तो मैंने वैसे पूछ लिया आपसे कि why are you stressed? So most of you said you are stressed because you are not able to complete your task. There can be different causes. Number one, there can be academic stress, which you are facing right now. There can be a financial stress. पैसे नहीं है. Right? There can be relationship stress. बन नहीं रही है. पेरेंट्स से, फ्रेंड्स से. There can be a lot of health issues. किसी को health issues है, उस चीज का stress है. Social problems. You are not able to mingle with people socially. और लोग बोलते हैं कि ये तो बोलता ही नहीं है, बात ही नहीं करता. But आपका नेचर ही ऐसा है, उस चीज का स्ट्रेस है आपको. Some unforeseen, situations has happened. Accidents है, कोई बीमारी है, उस चीज का स्ट्रेस है. There can be other major life changes. School था, so the life was comfortable. Now the life is uncomfortable for you because you have a stress कि आगे क्या करेंगे. अगर एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं हुआ, what will I do? Which job I'll get? So people have that stress and the social pressures from home, from friends, from society कि कुछ करना है जिंदगी में, मैं कर भी पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So do you agree? We have all these kind of stress?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Common causes of
ma'am.
stress for students. अब हम students का क्या stress है? Academic stress है, that we agree. Extracurricular activity that we have to keep pace with. We have लोग जो IIT या आप ही preparation कर रहे हैं, you have to do other work also. कोई sports में भी है. Peer pressure. Your friend is doing very well. He's scoring high marks, but आपके marks नहीं आ रहे हैं. उस चीज का भी stress है आपको. There's vast syllabus to cover. There is parental pressure. Time management, most important. We all know that we have to manage time, but हो नहीं रहा है. Fear of not meeting your own or others' expectations. And fear of not performing well or failing. So we all are going through all these pressures day in and day out. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So stress is not because of we are overwhelmed. Let me tell you. Stress is because we are not taking actions the way we should take. हमारा why इतना क्लियर नहीं है. अगर why क्लियर हो तो मजा आएगा काम करने में. Now the thing is how to manage or reduce stress, which is very important. अब ये जो topic है ना आज का जो I'm going to tell you many ways to reduce stress. Many ways. There are 100 of ways. But you will be able to manage only when you are going to take actions. पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होगा. मैं तो बहुत चीजें बता दूंगी आपको. But if you will not take action, nothing is going to happen. First thing to reduce stress is the time management or self-management. And time management मैंने अपने last topic में भी cover किया था. Create a realistic time schedule, consistent, prioritize using Eisenhower matrix or Pomodoro technique. पहली चीज you have to understand is time management is very important for you. You all agree to it, right? So I say time management or self-management. So how many of you have a schedule for yourself? Raise your hands. How many of you have a schedule for yourself? सुबह कितने बजे उठना है? पूरा टाइम टेबल है आपका 24 hours का. Very good. Shekhar, Shubham, Shivana, Anjum, Abhishek. Very good. You all have time schedule, right? Niranjan. And are you sticking to the timetable?
Yes, ma'am.
Honesty,
Most of the time.
do you stick to the timetable? Seriously.
Seriously, ma'am.
Very good. Abhishek. Who else? Kal Nehru. Great. Anjum. What about others? Out of 18 students, only 3-4 are saying that they stick to the timetable. And then you say कि stress हो रहा है. वह stress तो होगा ही, but कम होगा as compared to others. No matter हम जितना भी टाइम टेबल बना ले, you know, न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन we all make ना 31st को, कल से एक्सरसाइज, जिम में जाके 2 घंटे, कल से हेल्दी फूड. So a week, 10 days, 15 days करेंगे and then we'll stop. Procrastination करते हैं and then we don't stick to it. That is why we feel stressed. So first and most important thing, if you want to de-stress yourself, you have to make a timetable, because as it is, आपके लिए तो वैसे भी बहुत important है. You don't have a choice. Do you? Do you have a choice?
No, ma'am.
I think so.
No, ma'am.
If you are not going to stick to the timetable, you are not going to make it. So time management, self-management is very important. What time you have to get up, what time you have to exercise, how much you have to study. So पूरा 24 hours का आपके पास schedule होना चाहिए. और सिर्फ होना ही नहीं चाहिए. You have to follow that schedule in a consistent manner. Then only you will be able to de-stress yourself. Third thing, which I told you, Eisenhower matrix हमने discuss किया था. अगर किसी को समझ में आता है तो आप you can follow that what thing is not important and urgent. और अगर कोई और method आपको, कोई और tool आपको समझ में आता है, you follow that. Then we discussed about Pomodoro. Pomodoro is a technique. Rather than saying कि मैं 1 घंटा at a stretch पढ़ूंगा, just say 25 minutes at a stretch without any disturbance. With full concentration, you have to study and then take 5 minutes of break. Then again 25 minutes, 5 minutes of break. Again 25 minutes, and 4 times you have to do it continuously. और मैंने ये भी कहा था, you have to, you know, test with yourself, like क्या आपके साथ, if you want to study for half an hour, क्या चल रहा है आपके साथ? How you feel comfortable? So first and foremost is time management. अगर आप manage time को manage कर लोगे, time को हम, we cannot manage time, we can only manage ourselves. अगर आप ये कर लोगे तो 50% of the stress will go. आज मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी चीज, do you have a pen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आज मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छा टूल बताने वाली हूँ, which is known as Savers. So what you will do, write S-A-V-E-R and S here. S-A-V-E-R and S. Savers. Done? Okay.
Yes.
So this is a very beneficial, important tool to de-stress yourself. So first is S. So let's see what S stands for. S stands for silence. Meditation, prayer, self-reflection, or deep breathing, gratitude, कौन इसमें से कोई कुछ करता है क्या?
Meditation and deep breathing.
Aniket. Aniket
Yes,
said
ma'am.
meditation and
Deep breathing.
deep breathing. Very good. और कोई कुछ फॉलो करता है? Yes,
Meditation.
Yes, ma'am, meditation.
meditation.
But ma'am, Yog Nindra.
Sorry?
Yog Nindra.
Yog Nindra. Okay. So meditation करने के लिए भी ना different styles हैं. So what I truly believe is what is meditation? जैसे first is silence. So you have जब भी आपको stress हो रहा है ना, so just go in a place where nobody is there. एक silent जगह पे आप बैठ जाओ, right? और just do self reflection कि क्यों हो रहा है stress आपको. अभी मैं आपको एक exercise भी कराने वाली हूँ. I do this guided meditation. ये मैं करती हूँ बहुत. और we'll do it together just for 2 minutes. ठीक है? Just sit relax. सब चीजें छोड़ दो, अपने हाथ में जो भी आपने होल्ड किया हुआ है, just sit in a comfortable position, just relax. We'll do this guided meditation for 2 minutes. Not even 2, I think. So are you all ready? Just listen to
Hello and welcome to the
close your eyes and just listen to the instructions and just keep doing it whatever she says.
mindful movement. Hello and welcome to the mindful movement. I'm Sarah Raymond, and I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes if you like. Take a moment to pause and mindfully breathe and let everything else go. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out completely through your mouth. Do this again. Fill up, expand with your inhale, and let go. Relax with your exhale. Continue breathing like this. And as you do, perhaps feel your body soften, your muscles let loose, and your mind calm. Simply notice the sensations of your breath. And by paying attention, your breath leads your mind's attention and relaxes you further. Allow your thoughts to come and go, just like the rise and fall of your breath. Simply be here now with your breath for this short pause to relax. Connect with this feeling of calm within you. And when you are ready, open your eyes again. You can take this pause to free yourself from stress anytime you need, as many times as you need. Thank you for practicing with me here.
Okay, so you can open your eyes. अच्छा लगा? Did you feel nice? Just for
Yes,
2
ma'am.
minutes. You
Yes,
were in
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
world,
Yes, ma'am.
right? It feels very good, calm, relaxed. So this is a guided meditation and it is available. There are so many guided meditation. मैंने तो Google में type करके मैं कुछ भी, I pick up any meditation and I just do it, sit alone in a room just for 2 minutes. ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लगेगा इसमें. And you feel relaxed. You feel de-stressed. So it is a very good form of meditation. Another form of meditation is, ये तो हो गया guided meditation. Somebody is guiding you and you are following the steps, right? इसमें भी बहुत सारे हैं. You can listen to music, water flowing, soft fluid, kuch bhi, anything which, makes you feel relaxed, you can listen to. Second is individual meditation, जो आपको खुद करनी है. And that is box breathing. कभी सुना है किसी ने box breathing? I'll show
No,
you.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Box breathing is, it's a 4 steps of meditation. आपको क्या करना है? You have to, when you inhale, you have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have to stop for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you have to breathe out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pause for 4 counts. So 4, 4, 4, 4, it makes a square. So this is known as box breathing or square breathing. It is also a very good kind of breathing because when you start, when I also started meditation, मुझे भी नहीं पता था कैसे करनी होती है. मुझे लगता है वो ध्यान में चले जाओ आप और ये देखो कैसे होगा, concentration कैसे होगी. So it's very simple. So if any one of you is starting, it's very, very simple. So let's do it together. Count of 4, I'll count. So when you inhale, count 4, stop. You have to give a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again pause. Let's do it for 2 times. Start. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your eyes. So it's a very simple exercise. अब हम ये करते क्यों हैं पहले? Why do we meditate? या हम deep breathing या इस type की breathing क्यों करते हैं? How we de-stress ourselves?
Ma'am,
Yes.
to release.
To take a
relax.
pause. To take a pause.
Ma'am,
and
it gives
mental
rest to
rest.
brain also.
Absolutely. It gives rest to brain. और when we say we have to do deep breathing or any breathing exercise, so क्या होता है कि हम जो जिस चीज से हम स्ट्रेस हो रहे हैं, हम पढ़ाई से स्ट्रेस हो रहे हैं, we are feeling overwhelmed, so हमारा जो concentration है, we bring our concentration towards our breathing, to something else, which is making us feel relaxed. हमें वो टेंशन को हटाना है उस टाइम के लिए. We don't have to think about our exams or subjects or whatever we have to study. So that is why meditation is, you bring your thought. And why we do breathing? So because you have to concentrate only on breathing, nothing else. Otherwise we start keep thinking. और अगर कहीं और होता है, अगर breathe भी करे ना, फिर भी कहीं ध्यान आ जाता है, तो you have to bring your thoughts back. So these are the 2 types of meditation you can do for de-stressing yourself. So this was silence. S, A. A मैंने आपसे पहले भी discuss किया है. A stands for, any guesses? A stands for affirmations. अब affirmations होता क्या है? Affirmations are positive sentences. You know what happens is, why we de-stress ourselves or why we feel de-stressed. Why we feel stressed?
Because we are not confident, ma'am.
Because we are not confident. Continuously we are in the negative zone. Continuously we are thinking negative thoughts. We are speaking negative things to ourselves. हम अपने आप से भी, मैं इसे नहीं कर पाऊंगा, क्या होगा, मेरे से अगर एक नंबर कम आए, पेरेंट्स क्या बोलेंगे, ये बहुत मुश्किल है. So what we are doing is continuously we are using negative words. Even if when we are talking to ourselves, आप कभी भी नोटिस करना, अभी आपने नोटिस नहीं किया होगा, बट आप कभी भी नोटिस करना, we 80% we talk negative. What are affirmations? Affirmations are positive sentences. I'll tell you, it reduces anxiety, it improves performance, and it boosts your confidence. Now, what all affirmations you need to speak? I make my own affirmations. अब आपके लिए मैंने थोड़े से निकाले because you are preparing for exam, so आपको उसकी ज्यादा टेंशन है. So I trust my preparation. I stay calm under pressure. I am a natural leader. I showcase my strengths. I stay focused and determined. I am resilient. I communicate effectively. I am ready for success. I maintain a positive attitude. I deserve success. मैं आपको सही बता रही हूँ. I use it. अब हम कभी बोलते हैं ना अपने आप से, yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. करना है मुझे. मैं तो बहुत बोलती हूँ अपने आप से. Seriously. जो भी चीज मुझे चाहिए होती है ना, मैं बहुत I keep boosting myself. I use lot of affirmations. And I write in a diary. So there are two ways. One is that you speak to yourself. कभी भी आपको stress हो रहा है ना, no. उसको हटाओ, no. I have to do it. I can do it. ये do or die वाली situation है, मुझे करना ही है. So you have to change your negative sentences to positive. That is why affirmations are the positive sentences which we keep using throughout the day. चाहे हम किसी और से बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे हम खुद से बात कर रहे हैं. I deserve success. कितना powerful है ना? है कि नहीं है? How many of you say that this is powerful?
Yes, ma'am, it is powerful.
It is powerful. When you say yourself, just I deserve success. I am successful. I can do it. Just बोल के देखो. You feel so positive. You feel so relaxed, powerful. You feel confident. And I'm telling you, जो मैं आपको जितना भी बता रही हूँ ना, all successful people, you name it. चाहे वो बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से हो, चाहे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हो, एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री हो, फर्स्टली दे ऑल हैव अ मेंटल हेल्थ कोचेस, माइंडसेट कोचेस. दे ऑल डू दिस. कभी विराट कोहली के इंटरव्यूज देखना, कभी किसी फेमस पर्सनालिटी के इंटरव्यूज देखना. दे ऑल डू दिस बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो नीड मोटिवेशन एंड यू फील सो पॉजिटिव. What is basically how you can de-stress yourself? हमें जब stress होता है, why we are feeling stress? Because we are going in a negative zone. We are talking negative. So we have to make it positive. So this is one of the ways. Either you speak to yourself or you write. I write it down. I am powerful. I can do it. I deserve success. I am successful. I write it down daily. Without any fail, which makes me de-stress myself, which makes me powerful, which makes me confident. So this is A, affirmations. S-A-V. Any guesses what is V?
Verification.
Sorry?
Visualization.
Yes. V means visualization. So what do you visualize? What is visualization?
Visualizing dream.
Visualizing your success. Visualizing what you want in life. Visualizing your dream car, your dream house.
Future outcomes.
Sorry?
Visualizing future outcomes that we are
Yes.
hoping for.
Yes. What is law of attraction? सुना है ना हमने? Law of attraction. This is law of attraction. And when you visualize good things in life, तो क्या होगा? You will feel positive. And when you feel positive, you will be de-stressed automatically. So V stands for visualization. There are 3 steps of this visualization technique. One is you have to get ready. Second, visualize what you really want. Visualize who you need to be and what you need to do. So बहुत simple है. आपको क्या करना है? Again, you have to sit, and ये आप सुबह भी कर सकते हो, दिन में कर सकते. अच्छा, वैसे by the way, unknowingly we keep visualizing 24/7. करते हैं ना हम कई बार. मतलब मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता है. I keep visualizing myself giving talks, standing in a podium where thousands of people are there. I am, addressing them. We keep visualizing. But ये जो visualizing है, that consciously, that is unconscious, हमारे back of the mind चलता रहता है कि हमें क्या करना है. You can visualize you wearing a army officer's dress. You can visualize anything you want. 2 तरह की visualization होती है. एक तो है आप सिर्फ visualize कर रहे हो. The second type of visualization is with emotions. जब तक वो emotions नहीं आएंगे ना, वो powerful नहीं होगा. So you have to visualize that you are wearing that army officer's dress, and you have come home. Everyone is appreciating you, applauding you. So keep visualizing these things. अब ये क्यों है? Because जब आप अच्छी चीज visualize करोगे तो you will feel positive, और when you feel positive, you will de-stress yourself. Another thing is, मैं करती हूँ, अभी मेरा है नहीं, मैंने अपने रूम में एक विजन बोर्ड बना रखा है. Looking at your vision board every day increases your motivation and help you to stay focused on your goals, but only taking necessary action will get you real-time results. So whatever we are discussing, you have to take action. So vision board is also very powerful. आपने देखा है ना, कई लोगों के घर में कोई एक्टर्स की फोटो लगाते हैं, कोई एक्ट्रेसेस की लगाते हैं, कोई अपने रोल मॉडल की पिक्चर्स लगा के रखते हैं. मैंने भी लगाया हुआ है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए लाइफ में. मेरे पास बोर्ड है. आई हैव पुट प्रिंट आउट लेके, सो दैट व्हेनेवर you enter the room, you visualize, no, this is my aim. जहां भी मैं जब भटकती हूँ ना इधर उधर कि मैं कुछ और काम कर रही हूँ, तो so when I see that picture, एकदम से I'm back. No, I have to do it. Very, very important. आपका गोल 24/7 आपके आंखों के सामने होना चाहिए. आपकी मेंटल पिक्चर दिमाग में होनी चाहिए.
I want to ask you, who is role model?
My role model?
Yes, ma'am.
My parents. I'll tell you why. बाद में बताऊंगी. So I have many role models, but yes, to start with, my parents. Because whatever I am, because of them, their habits. हम knowingly or unknowingly अपने parents से बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. Right? So I have a vision board. I want to buy a, अभी चलो मैं बता देती हूँ. I want to buy a 5-bedroom house for myself. मेरे खुद के पैसों का. तो मैंने बड़ा सा घर अपने विजन बोर्ड में लगा रखा है. और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो मुझे चाहिए हैं. And I'm telling you, it works. जब मैंने वेट लूज करना था तो मैंने एक बहुत ही पतली सी एक्ट्रेस की फोटो लगा रखी थी सामने. और जब भी मेरे को कुछ हेल्दी अनहेल्दी मेरे सामने आता था और मैं उसको देखती थी, नहीं, I want to be like her. And I'm telling you, it works. And why I am so convinced, because I have experienced it. मैं तभी आपको ये सब बता रही हूँ. जैसे ही मैं नेगेटिव जोन में आती हूँ, within a second I'm back. Because I'm practicing all this. So you have to de-stress yourself, you have to be in a positive frame of mind. And whenever you feel negative, quickly come back. आपको दिखाएगा, नहीं, वो पिक्चर है आपके पास. No, affirmations, डायरी में, keep a diary in front of you. लिखो, yes, I am powerful. I am an army officer, and all the affirmation should be in a present tense. जैसे अभी आप हो गए हो. Don't write कि I want to become. Say I am already. So SAV. Anyone who has a vision board at home? विजन बोर्ड ऐसा कुछ बड़ा सा बोर्ड नहीं है कि स्पेशली आपको कुछ बाजार से खरीदना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कोई भी पिक्चर है, मैं तो प्रिंट आउट निकाल लेती हूँ ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर और कट फ्रॉम अ मैगजीन जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड आई पुट इट ऑन माय बोर्ड.
Ma'am, books can be added.
Books on what? Vision board.
Ma'am, I have a book on Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, so
So you
he
can
is-
put a picture of Sam Manekshaw.
Yeah.
No need to put a book. Just put a picture. Yes, very good. He motivates you, right?
yeah,
जब
ma'am.
देखते हो तो वो एक अलग सा फीलिंग आती है. वेरी गुड. यस, यू कैन. सैम मानेकशॉ का पिक्चर लगाओ अपने रूम में.
I have seen his IMA speeches. That also motivates me a lot.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली. प्लीज पुट. पूरा रूम भरा होना चाहिए, ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि हाँ किसी का रूम है, एक सक्सेसफुल पर्सन का रूम है. जैसे आपने रूम में एंटर करो, यू शुड फील मोटिवेटेड. अगर बाहर डीमोटिवेशन हो रही है, जैसे रूम में एंटर करो, वाओ, एक पॉजिटिव वाइब आनी चाहिए आपके रूम में. राइट? सो विजन बोर्ड में आप कुछ भी लगा सकते हो. Whatever is making you feel happy, you're feeling motivated, your role model. So V is the vision board. E. Any guesses? Very simple.
Execution, ma'am.
No.
Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm.
Efforts.
No. Huh? Enthusiasm? No.
Efforts.
Efforts? No. Emotions? No.
Energy.
No.
Interest.
E is for exercise. अच्छा, अभी सच्ची सच्ची बताना मुझे, कौन कौन यहाँ एक्सरसाइज करता है? एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. वेरी गुड. सो ऑल ऑफ यू डोंट हैव अ चॉइस. एसएसबी देना है तो एक्सरसाइज तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. ग्रेट. सो व्हाट एक्सरसाइज? सो यू हैव अ regime, right? So daily you have to exercise. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So एसएसबी देना है, आर्मी में जाना है, डिफेंस फोर्सेस में जाना है, इसलिए करते हो, उसको भूल जाओ. थोड़ा सा अपने डिफेंस फोर्सेस को भूल के वैसे बताओ मुझे आप कि वैसे.
रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए.
हाँ,
रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए 30 मिनट साइकिलिंग.
30 minutes. Yes, very
Ma'am,
very important.
to de-stress myself, I also do cycling a lot.
Yeah, you can cycle, swimming, boxing, jumping, running, anything you feel like, but you have to exercise. Very very important to de-stress yourself from any kind of stress, because exercise gives you, it pumps your body. It's very good for your health, your brain, your physique, everything. Because aap healthy ho, then only you will feel confident, right? Then only you will feel happy. Very important.
And ma'am, when I'm healthy and happy, my family will be same, will be happy and
Absolutely,
healthy.
absolutely. It all starts with you. You have to take care of yourself, then only you will be able to take care of others. So exercise is very important and very good form to de-stress yourself. You can do any form of exercise, anything. 1 घंटा आपको अपने आप को देना ही देना है. SAVER. R. Any guess?
Rest.
Relaxing.
Rest and recoup. Rest, relax, recover, do nothing. कोई टाइम ऐसा भी होना चाहिए 24 आवर्स में, चाहे 5 मिनट जो 10 मिनट दो 15 मिनट दो, जस्ट रिलैक्स योर बॉडी, बिकॉज कंटिन्यूसली वी आर थिंकिंग, चाहे हम कुछ नहीं भी कर रहे ना, हमारे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू गिव योर बॉडी रेस्ट, and while you are resting, what you can do, you can listen to music, you can just relax or do nothing. Very, very important to de-stress yourself. Another important thing, get enough sleep. कितने लोग बच्चे सोते हैं यहाँ पे, और कितने घंटे सोते हो आप? Ideally it should be 7 to 8 hours, but I don't know.
I say 6.5 hours.
6.5.
I sleep 5 hours.
Okay. इससे
From
ज्यादा
7
तो कोई
hours.
नहीं सोता है. From 7 to 8 hours से ज्यादा कोई सोता है यहाँ पे?
No, ma'am.
उससे ज्यादा नींद ही नहीं आती.
हाँ. So ideally, and 7 to 8 hours is must. 5 घंटे भी कम है, अनिकेत.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to give your body rest. सबका sleeping cycle अलग होता है, but
नहीं मैम,
7.
मैं
हाँ.
जबरदस्ती उठता हूँ मैम, मतलब उठने का मन नहीं करता तब उठता हूँ फिर भी.
But you should have at least 7 hours of sleep.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. To give your body rest. Very important to de-stress yourself. Because अगर आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है ना, तो हम चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं ना. अगर रात को नहीं कर रहे तो किसी ना किसी तरह दोपहर को हमें नींद आई जाएगी.
Yes,
And
मैम,
when,
होता है.
हाँ होता है ना, because your body needs that time to rest, and it has to be minimum 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If we are not sleeping, then we'll feel irritated, and when we feel irritated, then again we'll attack negative thoughts, and when we attract negative thoughts, we'll feel de-stressed. Sorry, we'll feel stressed. Another thing, you can listen to your favorite music, kuch bhi, anything, whatever you feel like. Punjabi, ghazals, jazz, English, Hindi, Marathi, any language. Very good form. I keep listening to this. मुझे बहुत stress free लगता है music सुनना. Another thing, get organized. Sometimes what happens is, बहुत सारा अगर हमारे रूम में गंद होता है या disorganized होता है, then also we feel stressed. And the moment our room is clean, the stress is gone. How many of you feel that? I to feel that truly. जब अच्छे से सफाई हुई होती है, you feel good, you feel positive. And make a habit that don't depend on somebody else to clean your room. I have learned one thing from my parents, of course, they are my role model. Otherwise, also, I've heard so many successful people, they said, if you want to be successful, start with one thing. Whenever you get up in the morning, make your own bed. How many of you make your own bed? उठते ही अपना bed साफ करना है, चादर fold करनी है. Very good. If you're doing it, it's a very good habit. Another thing I've learned is you have to clean your own bathroom. कोई शर्म वाली बात नहीं है इसमें. I have heard, मैं अभी आपको वीडियोस मैंने लाई नहीं हूँ, but I have heard so many successful people saying this. Make your own bed. You have to clean your washroom. इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है. It de-stresses you. अपना काम तो खैर हमें खुद करना ही चाहिए. If we want to be successful. चलो आप बोलोगे हमारे पेरेंट्स की तरह बात कर रही हैं. नेक्स्ट. Yes, very important. Eat healthy. How many of you are doing this? We don't have a choice. हाँ, कभी कभी चलता है. We can, थोड़ा सा कभी cheat day हो जाता है. But that's okay. But if we want to de-stress ourselves, eat healthy. Because whenever we feel stressed, कईयों की tendency होती है they eat more. है ना? ज्यादा खाते हैं ना हम, में जब टेंशन होती है तो हम, भूख नहीं भी होगी हम ज्यादा खाएंगे, जबरदस्ती का खा लेंगे, और जब खा लेंगे then we'll feel stressed. Right? So just vouch for this and be mindful of your eating. It is very, very important. Stop procrastinating. This is also a form of stress, because this stress we are creating for ourselves. We are too tired right now. We'll do next week. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to do it or not. I'll start doing it from next year, resolution. I'll do it someday. Rather than saying all this, do it now. So stop procrastinating. When we procrastinate, we feel stressed. Another thing, learn to say no. आपको हर एक को yes करने की जरूरत नहीं है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो. You should learn to say no also to the things which are not aligned to your goals. No matter who it is. Very, very important for you. किसी ने कोई काम दिया है, आप कुछ important काम कर रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है यार मना करूंगा तो वो नाराज हो जाएगा. But you should, sometimes you should learn to say no. And especially to those things which are not aligned to your goals, which are not making you closer to your goals. Because उस moment पे आपके लिए पढ़ना ज़्यादा important है, या आपका काम करना ज़्यादा important है. So what happens is when you say yes, yes, yes to everyone, then the time is gone, आपकी planning सारी, आपका सारा schedule हिल जाता है, and then of course, you will feel stressed. Last, a very important tool, and don't take this tool lightly. I can show you my diaries. I have filled with writing gratitude. Gratitude is a very powerful tool to make you feel positive. You can, gratitude क्या है? शुक्रिया करना भगवान का जो आपके पास है. You can write, I write it in the diary. Thank you for the bed where I sleep. Thank you for the pillow which makes me comfortable. Gratitude किसी भी चीज का कर सकते हो आप. Thank you for this pen. Thank you for the table and chair. Thank you for the morning cup of tea which I'm having. Thank you for a wonderful family. Thank you for blessing me with wonderful parents. Thank you to the teachers. Thank you to Colonel Nehru. Yes. Thank you to the sweeper who comes and sweeps. Thank you to the maid who is cooking food for me. Thank you to the driver. Thank you to the bus driver, car driver. You can be grateful for so many things. हमें लगता है ना हमारे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, हमें ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. But just when you keep making list now of the things which you have, you will feel that you are blessed. Thank you for the trees. Thank you for the birds that chirp. अच्छा लगता है ना? Thank you for the fruits which we are eating. हम खा तो पा रहे हैं. Thank you for the hands which God has given you. There are so many people without hands. Thank you for the eyes. It is one of the greatest greatest tool and which all successful people use. All successful people, they will not tell you. Nobody tells on TV and they say कि हम gratitude करते हैं. Why I can say you, because I have studied them. I have done many courses from successful people. I know what they do, why they are successful, because they are following this. आप जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोगों को देखोगे ना, मोस्टली बहुत हम्बल होंगे वो. They'll be down to earth because you cannot reach that level. They'll be humble. Why? Because they have gratitude. भगवान का शुक्रिया है, हर एक का शुक्रिया जो आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है. So very important tool. I write gratitude, 10 gratitude I write. You can start with anything. आप या तो आप लिख सकते हो या आप सुबह उठ को सोने से पहले कभी भी आपको 30 seconds लगेंगे. Just be grateful for whatever you have. And the moment you write it now, you'll feel so de-stressed, so powerful, so positive. आप तो लिख सकते हो thank you for the opportunity. लोगों को तो opportunity नहीं है. Thank you for the computer, जो फोन है आपके पास. किसी का भी आप शुक्रिया कर सकते हो, right? Very important tool to de-stress. Very important tool. That's it. I'm done. Thank you so much and all the very best. And I want you all to be smiling, stress-free and achieve your goals. And inshallah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Jai Hind.
Thanks a lot, all of you, boys and girls. God bless. Bye bye.